Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial from the eye makeup series, and today you will learn the new eye makeup look. As you can see, I have taken the smudge brush from the set of Bellie and applying it toward the crease line of the eye, and the color I have taken is the brinjal color, the purple one. You can reverse the video if you want to see the exact shade and taken the screenshot. The palette I am using, that is Pretty All Set UCANBE. As you can see, I am blending the color to the crease line of the eye. Again taking the brinjal shade. Blending this dark color. Again taking the brinjal darkest blue color. Giving more depth to the color, as you can see, and with the help of blending brush, blending the color. We are going to do the full cut crease eye makeup. I will show you that how you put your cut, how you taken your guideline, how you apply. So keep watching this video. Now taken the Forever 52 ka concealer and tell the client to see the terrace. Here you get your guideline. Taken the fine liner brush and draw a cut, as you can see in the video. Now taken the concealer brush from the brand Pro Art and fill all the gaps after draw a cut. You can see this is the concealer from Forever 52 with shade number C0V001. Here I am making the full cut, as you can see in the video. Now applying the transition shade over the eyelid for locking the concealing. Now depositing the color, the brinjal one, towards the upper lash line. As you can see, now taking the pink color, lightest pink color, with the help of flat applicator, applying it. You can see how beautiful it turns out. Again taking the pressed glitter eyeshadow in the color pink, with the help of flat applicator, applying it over the eyelid, as you can see. Now again taken the metallic glitter eyeshadow in liquid glitter in the shade pink from the brand Charm Vogue Beauty, applying it over the eyelid, as you can see how natural it looks and how beautiful it turns out. Now applying the lashes. Here is a look after lashes. You can see. Now for doing under eye, using the Charm Vogue Beauty Ka white kajal pencil, applying it to the lower lash line. Now doing the under eye smudging with the same color, the purple one. Smudge the under eye with the help of smudging brush. Moving on, next step, applying the mascara from the brand Maybelline Colossal, applying it to the lower lash line to the lower lashes of the eye and completing the look in front of you. Here is the final look, how beautiful it comes out. So bye bye, take care, thank you so much for watching me. Till then, practice, we'll meet in next tutorial.